We swapped the Temu motor into this dirt bike to surprise my wife, and it actually worked incredible. But now we have to make it look as good as it rides.
Send it! Oh God.
A little less excitement than I had hoped for.
It's a lot of pressure.
Whoa! We did some research at the motocross track, and now that we know where all the issues are, it's time to fix those before we do our final assembly and restoration on this bike. So under full compression, this is rubbing just a little bit on the tire. That means I just got to do a little bit of frame redesign.
First, we're going to fix all the problems. Then we have a new graphics kit. We have new plastics. We have new seat cover. This thing is going to look dialed, and then we're going to surprise Layla with it.
This little automatic transmission is going to be perfect for her, and the power delivery isn't so crazy that I'm worried that she's going to hurt herself. This is honestly going to be a perfect starter bike for her. Yeah, it's only like a bunch of work and effort. How much is working one of these again, Dylan?
We've invested a lot more than if we would have just bought a working one, but that's how we do it on the Rat Factory.
So right now, our problem is when this thing is at full bump, it just barely rubs. Essentially, instead of having it come up and do a T, I'm going to make it come up in a Y so that this area stays clear. That should hopefully clear us of any of our issues of rubbing. Essentially, it'll go something like that. And I'll have another little dropout looking thing that goes on there. Bob's your uncle.
While Gavin fixes the frame issue, I'm gonna start on the seat. This thing is a disaster. Got a new seat cover from Amazon. What are the odds that this thing fits at all? Let's find out. At least it is cleaner.
So essentially, I'm just replicating those 3 points. It should be set. I do think that'll work though. Woo, up the sleeve. It should be all clear now. Ready?
Yeah.
Well, that's our new setup. That did break the tack off, so we're gonna fix that.
Guys, reupholstering this seat is not going as smoothly as I had hoped. First, I bought the Harbor Freight stapler and it was not powerful enough to get into the plastic. So then I bought the Home Depot stapler. Still not enough power. So now we have the Harbor Freight air stapler. Let's see if it's got enough power. There we go. Turns out that's how you get it done.
All right, how'd it come out, Dylan?
Dude, it's a million times better than it was. I'm actually pretty pleased with it. It's not perfect, but it's not specifically made for this bike. This is a universal seat cover, so it's never going to be exactly perfect.
I think it looks good, dude.
Yeah.
Heck yeah. One of the big issues was we didn't have a battery, and now that's been solved because there's only electric start on this. And Layla's gonna have a bad time if she runs out of juice. So we have a brand new battery that slots right there. And then this little strap, just bloop, just like that. And it just screws down, and it is rock solid.
Heck yeah, that looks freaking cool. The bike is as dialed as it's ever going to get, so now that means we have to strip it all down so we can paint it and make it look dialed. Motor's coming out so we can paint the frame, and then the swing arm will also probably come out so we can paint that separately. Hopefully get some new tires on there as well, and this thing's gonna look really good.
It's definitely gonna look better than it did. Bar is pretty low, but honestly, I think it's gonna come out really well. I'm pretty pleased with all the progress we're making. All right, first coat of paint. We're gonna get the exhaust shield with this high temp black. We're gonna hit the exhaust real quick, and then we can move on to our silver. This is exciting, man. We're finally at that point.
Yeah, this is gonna be a huge transformation from the piece of junk it was before to actually looking really good.
put it on our drying rack here. Woo! That is blue as hell, dude.
We're not Yamaha blue anymore. They didn't have that at Home Depot, so we're just bright blue.
But this is just blue as hell. That's sick. I'm honestly here for it.
That actually doesn't look too bad. It's not perfect, but it's a million times better than it was.
I don't know, Dylan. Looks like a bunch of painted parts. We'll see how it actually bolts together now that we painted everything.
I'm really pumped on the silver for the bars and the swing arms. The blue, it'll be okay. I wish we could have found real Yamaha blue, but it is what it is. This is what we got.
I think next step, we just got to bolt this thing back together. Hopefully remember how it all bolts in.
Our motor's back in. Now it's just time for final assembly on the plastics. This thing is gonna look so good. I'm really excited to finally see what this thing's gonna look like.
Dylan, it's coming together, dude.
It's coming together. The plastics look medium. It turns out, doing a project over 1.5 years, I ended up buying 3 different sets of plastics and mixing and matching, and none of them are the same blue.
The stickers are gonna cover most of the plastics anyways.
We got a brand new graphics kit going on there. It's space galaxy themed, so it should look really cool. The finishing touch, a Send It bar pad. Good reminder for anybody, right in front of your face. Just remember to send it.
Heck yeah, dude. These are my favorite. That's a nice little touch.
Yeah, the little thumb protectors.
That also say send it. That's pretty rad. Out of the shadows into the light for the first time. Look at that.
Yo, 1.5 years in the making, and it was worth it. This thing is gorgeous. For how good this thing looks, I wish it wasn't a Temu motor, but that's what we got. I guess we got to do one last check to make sure we don't give her a total piece of junk.
Little work beer. Come on. Hey!
Let's go!
See if it still works.
It runs so good. Let's go surprise Layla. I'm excited. I can't wait to see what she says.
I told you were up to something. Is this my bike?
This is your motorcycle.
Wow. Interesting.
That's your reaction is interesting.
I like this galaxy. I'm scared to get on it. Send it.
Yeah.
Oh God. Oh. Where am I gonna send it?
You've been wanting a toy for years.
Yeah. I don't know. Now that it's real. I didn't think you were serious. It's a lot of pressure.
No, it's
Being
good.
your wife, I had to have something.
So we took out the really nice Yamaha motor and put a Temu motor in there, so it'll be nice and slow for you.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's perfect. Your perfect speed.
You downgraded me.
Yeah,
How fast does it go?
not fast. You got some gifts too?
Okay. Do you want me to open these now?
Yeah.
Why didn't you wait until Christmas?
Because it's for YouTube. We can't.
Oh, God.
A little less excitement than I had hoped for, but what can you do? I guess. Don't you think it's pretty? Like, we spent so long making it nice for
It
you.
looks like galactic, like Xenon Girl 21st century. Oh my god. Why do I need a suit? Am I gonna have to be on fire?
No, it's for
Oh.
dirt bike riding.
So I don't get scuffed up?
Yeah.
Oh, I like these. These are fun. When am I gonna do this?
I was
Wait,
hoping about an hour from now.
Oh, I'm getting my hair done. Wow, this thing is massive.
To keep you safe.
Wow, so I don't have to wear the one that you have from when you were 10?
Nope.
Cool! I think I like the accessories more than the This one's so cute. So maybe if I get to wear the accessories, I'll be excited about biking.
Yeah.
Ow. Are you gonna give me lessons?
Yeah. The safety gear is not from Temu, so it is very high quality.
Cool!
Yeah, there she goes.
Boots? Oh my god.
Yep. You're a real dirt bike rider now.
What? Oh my god, I didn't even know these things existed.
Do you want to test it here in the street, or do you feel more comfortable just going straight to the dirt?
I'd rather go to the dirt.
Okay.
Well, I like the accessories. I don't know how I feel about the bike yet.
This was 1.5 years in the making. 2 straight weeks of solid work now, and that's how she feels. Okay.
Is it on?
No. It'll take some getting
On
used
my
to.
tiptoe.
Yeah, but that's pretty normal. We got the fast gooses.
I like it. Okay, I guess this is my new hobby.
You could sound a little more excited about it.
Last year you got me golf clubs and we barely golfed, so I thought we could do that again. You know, that's on the ground. I don't need extra padding.
You gotta get a little extreme.
Golfing sounds safer.
Okay. We brought Layla and her Temu Motorswap dirt bike to the motocross track. Let's teach her how to ride. We walked her through shifting, braking, giving it gas. I think she's ready. All right, he's in first gear. Here we go. You got it. Yeah! Woohoo! He's doing it. She looks good. Yeah! You did great! That was awesome! How do you feel?
Not bad.
Good! Whoa! Just a little slippery here. Gravel kind of sucks. Go back that way and try to find just regular turf. She survived. What do you think?
My arms are tense. I'm tense. I'm not having that much fun yet, but I'm liking it. I'm liking it.
Okay, that's
So
better
we'll
than
take
nothing.
it. I did second gear. I'm proud of myself for that. And I did loops in second gear. And maybe next time I'll try third gear.
Before you know it, she'll be wanting turbo mode, so you guys know what that means. Stay tuned for that one.
Oh,
Thank you guys for
no.
watching. Stay rad.
I have to be careful with what I say. He makes it come true. It's the worst.